Hi, what is day trading or intraday trading? So day trading, it's all about the timing. Buying the stocks and selling them in the same day, it's called a day trading. When I say same day, it's not important that you have to buy the stocks in the morning and you have to sell them in the evening. So you can sell them within a minutes or within a hours, within a few seconds. So it's all can be called a day trading. So in case if you don't have the stop loss or take profit, in case if your trade is still on, the trade will be closed automatically through your broker before the market ends. So this is how day trading works. And the people who do the day trading, they call as intraday traders or the day traders. And the day traders are the most active personals in the trading business, because day traders are looking for more trades each and every day. They will come every day and they will analyze the market very carefully. They will involve most of the time with the trading. They will use a lot of indicators and the strategies such as a scalping, and they will use tons of chart patterns to execute their trades. And most importantly, they will look for the stock which has the most volatile in the volume. So they want the stock which most people are trading. Also they want the stock which has the most volatile, means the stock went more high and lows in a single day. So they want those stocks to get more profits. So this is the video about the day trading, and I hope this video you found a bit information about the day trading and the day traders. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.